I'm here to share some exciting news about advancements in cervical cancer screening. Recently, the FDA expanded approvals for two tests that detect cancer-causing types of HPV in the cervix. This means that individuals now have the option to self-collect a vaginal sample for HPV testing if they cannot or prefer not to have a pelvic exam. The tests Onclarity HPV and cobas HPV can be done in various healthcare settings like primary care offices and pharmacies. This development is crucial for improving access to screening, especially for populations with low screening rates. The Last Mile initiative led by the NCI aims to accelerate the approval of self-collection approaches for HPV testing, including testing at home. A nationwide clinical trial program called SHIP is testing the effectiveness of self-collection at home compared to clinician-collected samples. Cervical cancer screening is essential, yet almost 30% of eligible individuals in the U.S. do not get screened as recommended. HPV vaccines, which offer nearly 100% protection against cancer-causing HPV types, are also underutilized. About 11,500 people in the U.S. are diagnosed with cervical cancer annually, with half of the cases in those not adequately screened. While expert groups recommend screening starting in the 20s, barriers like healthcare deserts, personal preferences, cultural beliefs, and medical conditions hinder access. The availability of self-collection options and home-based testing could significantly widen access to screening and help save lives. Let's work together to ensure that everyone has access to life-saving cervical cancer screening.